I'm Albert Tan from Spring Design. I want to introduce you ScreenShare concept. On my hand is comfortably you can hold a smartphone, and with cellular capability, flexible storage, you can make phone calls and you can send the text messages. And on my left hand, you have a larger computer tablet that has bigger screen, flexible input, and but it doesn't have the cellular connection, doesn't have sometimes the flexible storage. How can you make the content and the user interface of the program in the phone to be shared by the large tablet easily, without tethering and without draining the phone's battery? We want to introduce you ScreenShare concept to address that problem. Now, here is how it works. So once you use your phone, you go to a website you want. Through ScreenShare, you can sync the image to the tablet, and the tablet can browse it. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can go to a different page and browse and zoom in. So it's much easier to read than the small phone screen once you have a tablet available. But the tablet can go out to the internet with the phone's connection. So it's very helpful to have two screens interact. And you can also sync things back to the phone. So you can sync, once you find something, you can sync the same page back to the phone, which is two-way interaction. Now, you can go to, once you get tablet connect to the internet, you can go to email. So for example, you want to read mail, go to Gmail, and they connect to the email you have, and you can find a particular email you're interested in reading, and go there. And for example, here is one mail you can read. You can scroll, you can see the attachment, you can do reply with this. And then once you done with email, and you can have a virtual keyboard. For example, if you say reply, it pop up the keyboard, which is very big. You can type. This is good. It's easier to type than a small phone screen. And you can also read news with the tablet. For example, you can go to Google News. We want to show you the concept of dual screen interaction. And with Google News, so this is Google News, but you can sync from tablet back to the phone. You can see all the Google News on the phone. And I want to show you the way to do a two-way interaction. You use both screens at the same time. For example, you want to read this particular news. You can click it here, but you can also long press the article. Say, I want to open this article at the remote. So it will open that article there. So you can read in the remote. We can also have a YouTube example that you can watch a video. So you can go to YouTube. For example, this is cooking. You like to learn how to make sushi bento. So when you watch news, you like to see the comments and the ingredients in the news. So you can sync this particular YouTube news to your phone. You can see, when you click here, you can see all the ingredients, components of the bento. And you can watch the news by clicking it. So it starts to play. And if you like to have full screen, you can change it to full screen mode. See the full screen video, high resolution. And where they explain, you can watch, go through the ingredient component. And here is a comment mode. You can see all the comments of users on the internet about this cooking. So you can see the two-screen interaction. When the Wi-Fi is available, you can use video. When the Wi-Fi is not available, you can use Bluetooth on the road to use the big screen to browse the internet. Today we introduced ScreenShare with two applications, browser and email, on Android platform. But we will be adding several other applications. One of them is a phone dialer that allows you to share when you take phone calls, share relevant information on the tablet. A feature we plan to introduce soon is a gallery application. And here is a set of picture I take on the phone. And we can use the same sync idea to sync the picture directly on the tablet. And once it's on the tablet, you can directly navigate on the tablet. And you can see the picture first shows on the phone, and you can, once it gets on the tablet, you can zoom in and navigate and directly on the tablet. You can see the people's face, or you can see the art details of the building. And then we will be looking at the support more platforms and work with partners to get more applications to support ScreenShare.